Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to make another blender video, and let's get into it, and subscribe. Don't mind the noise. So we're going to make the sprinkles. I forgot something, guys. Before I did this video, I just made everything I made everything organized. So if you open every so what I did was I selected my donut, and then I did shift, select my icing, and then I pressed M, and then I pressed new collection and I named it donut reel. And then I selected my plane and I named it, and I did the same thing. I pressed M, and then I pressed new collection, and I did inventor. And then for the camera and light collection, I named camera and light. So add mesh to UV circle. What? Add. What? Where's the sphere? Let me just uncheck. Oh. Why are they so small? Bro, they are so small. I can just make them big. Let me just cut this one out. No. X. Okay. Don't copy what I did. Just do this. So what you wanna do is you wanna in object mode, selecting the sphere. I'm just unchecking all of the other collection boxes, and then right click this and press. Sorry about that. So right click the sphere and then press shade smooth. Should look like this. And still it's jagged. So go to add modifier, press subdivision surface, and make the level viewport 2. And now open your donut. It should look like this. And scale it to here. And then press G, Z. And that looks good. And then if we press the Y, do number pad 1, and you should see this. And then press G, Z again. And make it just sit on this. And just go to the x-axis up here. Wait. Oh, okay. Go on the y-axis and then press GZ. No, not GZ. Press GY and then go here. It doesn't matter if it intersects. And then go to the y-axis and go GZ, GX. And then press GZ. There. And now scale it to about there. And then GZ. Then just go on the x-axis. And then just do Shift D. Just keep on going around. And then go to the y-axis. And then you should see this. It looks like one circle, but it isn't. And then press Shift D. Shift D. Shift D. Shift D. Put this one here. Shift D. Shift D. And that should be good. Just like this. I know it looks weird. You'll soon see, okay? You'll soon see. And then go on the z-axis. And start moving them around. I want to put this around. And then just put it wherever you want. GX. GY. Yes! Finally! Select these two.
Which one?
Select the ones that are on top. And then I have two that are flying. So I have to select both of them. So I select one of the circle, the spheres. And so then you select one of them that are flying. And then you press Shift and press the other one. And press GZ. And then press it there. This one's a bit not on the there. And then make it a bit. Yeah, wait, no. Select all of them that are intersecting. All of these ones. And then press GZ. There. And these ones are still intersecting, so I'm just gonna. And then GZ. GZ. I'm going to x-axis and then GZ. There! And then put everything down. Go on this x-axis and then just put this one up. It sounds weird. Okay, you want to, yeah, probably like, oh, wait, this one's, finally. And then if we go to shading mode, so object mode, and then go to, oh wait, no, not shading mode. Why did I say that? Weight paint mode. What paint mode? No, what am I doing? No, change wet paint mode to object mode. And selecting the icing, go to weight paint mode. Just uncheck all of these. Okay. Your weight by default should be 1, 1. Yeah, keep it like that. And then if we go up to Z axis and then just wait. Oh no. Turn the pixels. Yes. So change the radius to 136 pixels, and then just go around. Here. Just fill up the gaps. And then turn the weight down, and then just start, change the radius a bit down as well. You want this place to be like a bit, like, no. You want this place to be like this because it's a bit high up, so icing will fall down. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make icing fall down in our next video. Our next Blender video. Not our next Blender video, in another Blender video. In another Blender video. Wait, give me a minute. Stay quiet. Okay, so just do that. Yep. And then in the next video we will do the next part, and then we just fill up the gap. So subscribe, like, and in the next video we are gonna make the next video. I don't know what we're gonna do in the next video, but yeah. Bye.